Manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees in India. Here's one you can start today. This billing roll making machine helps you produce 2, 3 and 4 inch rolls in different meters. Perfect for retail shops, restaurants, supermarkets and grocery stores. Want branding on your rolls? The FTC billing roll making machine lets you customize with logos. Ideal for platforms like Swiggy, Porter and Instamart. So every roll reminds customers of your store. This is one of the smartest manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. Here's idea number 2. Paper bag making business. Looking for manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees? Try the paper bag making business. With a creasing machine, your team can manually fold and paste paper bags. Simple and low cost. Add an FTC paper bag printing machine and you can customize up to 1500 bags an hour. No manual team? Just buy plain bags and print in-house with the FTC paper bag printing machine. This is a scalable pick among manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. Next up, idea number 3. Here's another one from our manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees series. The dining paper roll making business. Using a dining paper roll making machine, you can manufacture catering paper rolls with or without printing for caterers and supermarkets. Since customization is in high demand, the FTC dining paper roll making machine helps you offer unique branding and innovative designs to grocery stores too. A great entry into manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. And finally, idea number 4. Here's another gem among manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. The medicine paper cover making business. The medicine paper cover making machine can produce covers from small 6 by 10 centimeter pharmacy sizes up to large 24 by 32 centimeter bakery and grocery covers. Unlike others, the FTC medicine paper cover making machine uses a 70 centimeter jumbo roll, giving you wider size flexibility. You're not just limited to pharmacies. Diversify sales to restaurants, grocery stores, stationery shops and bakeries. A smart pick among manufacturing business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. 4 ideas, 1 goal. Your own manufacturing business under 5 lakh rupees. To know in detail, click the link in the description or comment 5L business to receive full details.